really trust myself with you. Let you back in, forgive and forget, but then I get bruised. I just blame it on myself, like it's all me. Thinking I'm useless, making excuses, not even you believe. Got this stranger feeling rushing through my head, can't drop it. It's already halfway there. I've been finding reasons to pretend and just ignore it. Now I got some thoughts to share. I don't think I love you anymore. Don't believe it when I say I feel like I'm yours. And I know you only say that you love me, so I'll stay. But this feeling just became a thought. I don't think I love you anymore. No, I don't think I love you And I tried to not bring it back to you. But tonight, I don't know what I'm gonna do, yeah. Cause I come and get a bad vibes day the night, and we argue for the 6th time, and I cry, say I'm leaving, way to show mine every time. But this time I got this stranger feeling rushing through my head, can't drop it. It's already halfway there. I've